Welcome back. Now let's handle the click event on this button. So button.setOnClickListener, and I will choose this lambda expression. Here, I need to get the radius from the edit text and do the calculation based on the radius passed by the user in the edit text. So var radius equals to edit text dot get text dot toString. I need to change and transform this string radius to an int. So int r var r equals to integer dot parse int, and here I need to pass the radius as a string. So I'm converting the string passed by the edit text to an int. Now the volume of the sphere is 4/3 times pi times 3 cube, or radius cube. For that, I will create a double variable called volume. Volume equals to 4/3 times 3.14, 15.9 times r times r times r. This is how we write r cube. Or you can use math.power function from the math package. Result.setText, here text, equals to v equals to volume variable plus m cube. Okay, so it's in meter cube. Let me run. This is our application. Click on sphere. Here we are directed to the sphere activity. Please enter the radius. I will enter 3 as a radius, 3 meters. Calculate volume, and here we go. The volume of the sphere is 84.822 and so in meters cube. Okay, so this is how we handle the click event on the button calculate volume, and how we do calculations based on the radius passed in the edit text.